Hey guys, my name is Yuri Volkov. I'm a guitar player and guitar trainer from Russia, and today I'm gonna show you one great and fun exercise which can increase your left hand technique, and it sounds like this. So we start with 6th string, E low string, 2 times. Then we hammer on 3rd fret on a low E string, and then hammer on 4th fret on a low E string, and it sounds like this. Then we play 2nd fret on A string 2 times, then hammer on 4th fret on A string, and then pull off 4th to 2nd fret. It sounds like this. At the beginning. Then we play 5th fret on the A string 2 times. Then pull off 5th fret to 4th fret. Then play this note. Then pull off 4th fret to 2nd fret. Then play 2nd fret. Then pull off 2nd to open A string. Then play open A string, then play 3rd fret on the E low string, and then hammer on 4th fret on the 6th string, and sound like this. Whole riff sound like this. Next riff start with A open string, and we have the same pattern. And then again from 6th string. And now we play next 3rd riff which we have on this exercise. We play 2nd fret on the A string 2 times, then hammer on 4th fret on the A string, then play this note, then hammer on 5th fret on the A string, then play this note, then pull off 5th to 4th fret, then play this note, 4th fret on the A string, then pull off 4th fret to 2nd fret, then play this note, then pull off 2nd fret to open A string, then play this note, then play 4th fret on the E low string, then play it 1 more times, and then pull off 4th to 2nd fret on the E low string, and it sounds like this. And then we play 1st riff from the 6th string. Try to learn this riff and try to play it so fast as you can. It can help you increase your left hand technique. PDF and guitar profile for this lesson you can find on my Patreon page. The links you can find on the description and in the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. See you next time.